Hello everyone, today we are going to see the Kawaii box. This is homemade Kawaii box, friends. Let's see. This is cute notebook diary. This video I have uploaded first only. You can see. This is a cute notepad. This is small notebook. This video also uploaded, so you can see. These are some rainbow color papers. See, this way the rainbow color papers are different. Now this is Kawaii crayons. This is cute stationery. And here is diary, cute diary. Now here is Kawaii stickers. This is friends Kawaii kit. This is Kawaii scale. Kawaii eraser. Kawaii pencil. And Kawaii pen. So friends, this is our Kawaii kit. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for the more videos. And you want the more videos of stickers and that, so please tell in comment how was the video. Thank you.